Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Google Japan. Today we will talk about Gemini Nano Banana and how to use it in real-world examples. Most videos just show random AI art. But today, I'll give you 3 prompts you can actually use for your daily photos, for school projects, and even for building a full brand of your business. Let's make Gemini work for you.
Yes, prompts we can use in real life.
Okay, so check it out. Open Gemini. Select Create Images, Audio Prompt, Make a Memory Picture, Create Material for Study, and your whole business branding in seconds. Gemini is powerful, but only if you know how to ask the right way. Today, I'll share prompts that aren't just cool, they are practical. You can copy these word for word, paste them in Gemini, and get results right away. Let's get started. Let's start with something everyone can use, your daily photos, whether it's for Instagram, your profile, or even remembering someone special. Gemini can make it meaningful. Let's start with the picture effect.
I love these vintage style pictures.
Yes, and you don't need to buy any films. So next, let's try to make my new profile picture an artistic avatar.
This actually looks nice.
These prompts take your real photos and give them new life. From stylish posts to emotional memories, it's more than just tech. Next, school. Gemini can turn study materials into visuals that stick. First, let's see a presentation example. This works great for science class, clear, visual, and easy to understand. For mature students, complex content will also be very helpful for exam preparations.
This one feels like a real textbook diagram. Something high schoolers can actually revise from.
Exactly, Naruto. Gemini image generation is not only for fun. And finally, business. Here's where Gemini shines. You can design your brand identifier from scratch in just a few steps.
This is very interesting.
Yeah.
It would be great for customers to find out your business, and I'm sure the motivation of your staff can increase with a nice branded content.
Let's make a full set of materials in seconds. First, we create one logo and add it to products. So now, for people who own a shop or are planning a remodel, Gemini can help you imagine changes before you spend money.
It'd be great to add it to our social media too.
Yeah, all right, Naruto. Let's make it too. Every business owner needs a good profile photo for your homepage, LinkedIn, or business card. Gemini can polish your photo instantly. In just a few prompts, you've got the logo, products, print materials, and the LinkedIn post, basically your full brand kit.
That's a design agency in your browser.
Yes. So there you go. Prompts for your daily life, your studies, and your business. Copy these, try them in Gemini, and you'll see the difference instantly.
That was so fast. Nissy, which prompt is your favorite?
I actually use the one to decide a new look of my office. It helped me a lot.
I love that one too.
Yeah. So drop your favorite in the comments. Share your best Gemini prompt with us. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next time. Bye bye.